found the treasure. And then the other one said, I tricked my mommy, and then I cut away and then brushed my teeth. I found the treasure and I put it in my secret. Okay, I won't tell anybody. Tell me, it's in my mouth. Protect the treasure, protect the treasure.
I like to protect the treasure.
Okay, then do it. Protect the treasure.
Where is it?
Right there.
Over that way?
Yes.
Okay. But first you have to sing me the treasure song.
Treasure, treasure, I don't know why I have some treasure, but I found it every day. So you have to tell me, what is treasure? It is gold stuff that is gold pennies. It has lots and lots of money. It is lots of gold coins.
That is a beautiful song. It sort of made me cry. Ooh, so beautiful.
Okay, now?
Well, I'd like to maybe first have a sandwich.
Okay, I'll get one. You one?
Okay. Sandwiches.
I did it.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh, okay.
It was hamburger sandwich.
I love hamburger sandwich. Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Could I give you a kiss?
Of course you can.
Mwah. And a puppet high five.
Okay.
What's a puppet high five?
It's a high five when you go like this and then high five.
Sweet.
Oh no, the treasure's falling from the sky. We found the treasure.
We found the treasure.
So we are going to stick it out of our butts.
What? Wait a minute. I didn't agree to that.
So we put them in our ears, even though I don't have any ears.
Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. I didn't want to put it in my ears. There's a giant person.
Sorry, that's our friend.
Oh.
He's holding us up.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay, let's sing a song about what we're gonna do with the money from the treasure.
We are going to buy our favorite things.
Like what?
A trampoline.
A trampoline?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Okay, and I'm going to buy lots and lots of socks.
Ew. So I can make more of you?
I just love socks.
Ew, but you are a sock.
Oh, okay, then I'm going to buy lots and lots of paper clips.
You are, okay. We already have paper clips.
Oh, how come you can talk without your mouth moving?
Because someone's holding me.
Oh.
And I'm not actually talking.
Oh, I see. Okay, with the money from the treasure, I am going to buy a book about sausage.
Sausage? We already have. Dude, we already have sausage. Yeah, dude.
Man. Okay, let's sing a song about the end of the movie.
We love treasure. We love treasure. We love treasure. So we poo in our pants.
Wait a minute.
We poo in our pants. We poo out treasure.
Wait a minute. I don't poo my pants.
Yes, you do. You have pants on right now.
I know, but I'm a big puppet. I poo in the toilet.
Okay, but I poo in the toilet too. But sometimes I pee in my pants.
Ah! The end. Bow.
Bow.
And Rachel, do a bow.
I am.
I know, but you have to stand up so the camera can see you.
Ta-da!